Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com. We've had a few thunderstorms around central Indiana, even some localized flash flooding this afternoon and evening, and an unsettled pattern will continue for the next several days. I think as we look more at the short term, another round of thunderstorms can be expected to rumble into central Indiana as we go into the evening and overnight, and the HRRR forecast radar also shows that here as we move into the midnight towards 1, 2 o'clock hour. Some additional thunderstorms rumble into central Indiana before dissipating as we move into the early morning hours on Wednesday. But as a whole, really for the next several days, really from now through the day on Sunday, we can expect showers and thunderstorms to remain in our forecast at times, and I think greatest overall coverage should occur during the afternoon and evening hours. But overall coverage appears to reach probably the greatest, most widespread coverage at least, as we move into Thursday and Friday. And a lot of that has to do with this area of low pressure that will finally begin to eject east before lifting off to the north and into the Great Lakes as we move into the upcoming weekend. So as that takes place, I think Thursday into Friday will offer up better coverage of showers and thunderstorms into the day on Saturday as well. But as we wrap up the weekend, I think drier air as a whole moves in. We can't rule out a thunderstorm on Sunday, but compared to what we deal with before then, it appears at least that Sunday will begin to kind of be that transition day towards drier conditions. And then high pressure is set to build in here as we move into the early parts of next week. That should keep us very pleasant and dry on Monday and Tuesday. Before that, though, the big story will be widespread rainfall totals, somewhere between 2 and 3 inches, we believe, across central Indiana. And it should be pointed out, just due to the moisture content and the overall weather pattern with this stalled frontal boundary and a very weak steering current, where thunderstorms train, we can expect to see heavier amounts than what is forecast off of some of the global products and lead to localized flash flooding issues such as what we saw earlier this afternoon. Guys, that'll do it for the Tuesday evening update. Make it a great Tuesday night, and we'll talk with you soon on NDWX.com.